Opie,
Yeah,
who do you have?
a chicken.
Why is Speckles in the house?
That little sis in the house.
Yeah, why is she in the house?
He left not outside. He left in my sand.
Why did the chicken come inside?
Because how much Speckles in the house?
Because you want Speckles in the house?
Yes.
But honey, she's a chicken. She needs to stay outside.
No.
She's not a little pee-pee no more. See, she's a big chicken.
I want to stay her in the house. Please. Please, Mommy.
You love your Speckles, don't you?
Please. Is there a
You love her? You're going to show Mama the Speckles? Hi, Speckles. You enjoying your ride? Oh, you giving your Speckles a toy?
Oh, he did poop on him. Take picture her.
Yes, I see that, baby. Alright, Mama's going to go put back Speckles away.
No.
Alright, well, push her around then for a little bit longer. She's fine. She's just sitting there being a good chicken. I think she likes it. Yes, you're a good chicken, aren't you? Miss Naughty Chicken, though, trying to escape.
Yes, you.
Yeah, is that your Speckles? Yes, I know you love your Speckles.
Mommy, take a picture to me.
Take a picture.
Yeah.
Alright, take a picture. Say cheese.
Hi, Mommy. And Speckles is in the front. Here.
Well, are we done with poor Speckles? I think Speckles wants to go back with her friends, honey.
No, he wants me. I'm the friend.
I know she's your friend. I know you love your Speckles.
No, Cookie. I'm
Alright, well, say bye-bye, Hoopy.